How to make money on Hyrecar. I'm going to tell you how to make money on Hyrecar. And yes, it's possible if you've got access to a few good vehicles. Hyrecar lets you rent your car to rideshare and delivery drivers. So the key is finding affordable, reliable used cars that drivers want. Start by getting a few models like the Toyota Prius, Hyundai Elantra, or Honda Civic. They're fuel efficient, cheap to maintain, and popular with gig workers. Once you've got your cars, sign up as an owner on HireCar, upload the vehicle details, insurance, and registration. Set competitive daily or weekly rates, then list your cars. Keep them clean and well maintained to get good reviews and repeat renters. With the right cars and some basic upkeep, you can build passive income through HireCar.